Alright, 2010 through 2015 Toyota Prius engine water pump. We're going to be changing out the rotor. See this one here, it spins freely and then it has a period of resistance. The car was throwing a check engine light. I'll put the code in the video here, but it was for a bad water pump. So all you gotta do is there's an O-ring right here you need to remove, and then a washer. So you just take a pick or anything to kind of get it started, and it'll lift right out. There's the washer. It's got a little slot in it. It can only go in one way. This is magnetic. You pull it out right away. There's the damage section. Don't know how it happened, but that's what's causing our binding. And you can order a brand new rotor online for around $20. It's magnetic, so watch your fingers putting it in. You can see this one spins nice and freely. Take our washer, put that on, our O-ring, get it on, and that's it. And your water pump's ready for action. I'll put the part number in the video and in the description.